Hi everybody, welcome to part one of my three-part series with Adobe Stock for Start with Stock. My name is Elise Swopes, and today we're going to be using Adobe Stock from complete scratch to create a composite image. So let's not wait one more second. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop Mix, and then I'm going to create a new canvas. And we'll resize the frame. So now I can go ahead and go to the Addition button here, which is going to add a new layer, and then I'm going to tap Add Image. On the left hand side there, you'll be able to see that it says Adobe Stock, so I can have the option to search the Adobe Stock database within this app itself. You'll be able to see that you've got a few different options here. You search, add a photo to search by as well. I'm gonna go ahead and find a background image. I like looking for sunset clouds that are kind of stormy. Let's search. And got a lot of different options here. I like a certain type of style, so once I find my style, I'm probably gonna click on that image and just find similar images. This is a cool cloud. If we use it to flip it, that'd be kind of cool. Like this. I'm gonna go ahead and license this image. I'm gonna go ahead and resize it and just flip it upside down. I feel like it's a little more useful. So you see I've got my stock image, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a new color. And then I'll cut out here a little basic erase. Do a little gradient in the sky. Change the feather, change the edges. You'll see we've got that top half covered a little better now, so that if we'd like, we can add our star layer. Let's look for Chicago skyline silhouette. I'm from Chicago. I'll go with this one. Go ahead and license that. Let's resize this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do looks here. And I'm gonna make this black and white, because we are going to do a multiply. Also cut it out a little bit. Subtract. Let's do a little refine, maybe a little bit more edge, so it blends. Add look here. More exposure, and then blend. Let's do a multiply. Now we've got our silhouette. Super cool. Now let's add our star layer image. Stars, sky, search. Ooh, we got so many options. I'm gonna do like a simple sky. I really like this one. So let's do license asset. We only want it in that top layer, so let's go ahead and cut out feather, edges. See if we can blend this out a little more. Opacity. So now let's finalize and add moon, crescent. Love a good crescent moon. This looks great. Save. License. Do a portrait, black and white. Do a blend, do a little screen, and up. Super cool. So you can see we've literally created an entire image from start to finish with Adobe Stock. So make sure you stay tuned for part two, and I'll see you then. Bye.